How can small details build a strong circumstantial evidence case? Have you ever wondered how small details can make a big difference in a courtroom? Today, we will explore how these little pieces of information can build a strong circumstantial evidence case. Circumstantial evidence is different from direct evidence. It relies on inference rather than straightforward proof. Each small detail acts like a puzzle piece. When combined, they create a picture that points to a conclusion, such as a person's guilt or innocence. To understand this better, let's look at how small details play a role. First, they can establish presence or opportunity. For example, if a defendant's fingerprint or DNA is found at a crime scene, it suggests they were there. This is a key fact that helps infer involvement in the crime. Next, small details can show motive or intent. Minor actions or communications, like hostile messages or suspicious timing, can indicate why someone might commit a crime. These small behaviors can be telling. Additionally, details about skills or tools can demonstrate means and capability. If a defendant has access to specific tools or skills related to the crime, it adds to the case against them. Post-defense conduct is another area where small details matter. Actions such as fleeing, providing false alibis, or destroying evidence can imply a consciousness of guilt. These actions can be significant in the eyes of a jury. Moreover, when multiple small facts align, they can corroborate each other. This reduces the chance of coincidence or innocent explanations. The strength of a circumstantial case increases as these details collectively point to one logical conclusion, often guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Judges and juries use logic and common sense to separate reasonable inferences from mere speculation. It is essential to ensure that small details are not taken out of context or given too much weight. In the courtroom, attorneys highlight these small details to connect the dots for jurors. They show how each piece of evidence fits into the larger story. Expert testimony, such as forensic analysis, can provide scientific backing for these details, making the inferences more reliable. In essence, small details build a strong circumstantial evidence case by creating a network of facts. When viewed together, they logically support the conclusion sought by either the prosecution or defense. This method relies on careful reasoning and the exclusion of alternative explanations to meet the legal standard of proof.